Oh my gosh, after waiting a whole year, I have finally got it. Let's open this bad boy up. I'm just kidding, it's a light. Okay, for real this time. Oh yeah. Okay. Sweet. Looks like I have a letter. Wow. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. Wow. I'm going to take it out of the package and show you. Let's see. I'm excited. I really don't know what to say. This is so amazing. I'm blown away. I'm gonna have to find a place to hang this up at. As excited as I am about this, this isn't about me. It's about you guys, because if it weren't for you, I wouldn't be sitting in front of a camera right now holding this thing. And so I do not take that lightly. Thank you guys so much. It has been an honor being able to make videos that people want to watch. I had no idea years ago I would be here, so I want to encourage you. You have no idea where your dream will take you. So keep working. It's not always pretty, but it's worth it in the end. And you know what? I still have a long way to go. My next goal is 1 million. So it might take me a while to get there, but I'm getting there. One of the best things about being a YouTuber are the friendships and relationships that are made on this platform. I have made so many friends, and a lot of you I have already met, and it just blows me away the community on here that YouTube provides for us to connect together. Speaking of friendships, I do want to call out someone who is special to me. He is a YouTuber that I haven't met yet. His name is Max at Triado Custom Engraving, and he engraved this tumbler for me. He put my logo on here and put 100,000 up here for passing 100,000 subscribers, and put this Viking design around the whole tumbler, because if you guys know me, you know I love Viking art and design. So thank you so much, Max. I originally was going to unbox this custom tumbler with a plaque here for passing 100,000 subscribers together, but it didn't work out time-wise. But you guys go check out Max at Triado Custom Engraving. He does the same thing I do with a Dremel, but he does it on metal and tumblers like this. Thank you guys again. I just can't stop staring at this. I gotta find a place to hang this. I may do that here in just a little bit. I'm without words, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love all of you, and I'll see you in the next video.